Wow, on our way to the beautiful Netherlands. My name is Otis Q. Pate, and yes, I'm here with my wife Lynn.
Hello.
Hello. Preparing to go to the Netherlands to see these great windmills and all the tulips there, and we're going to be going to the Netherlands for a few days, and we're on our way to Hoofddorp in the Netherlands from Frankfurt, Germany. This distance is going to be about 453 k's, I think.
Or 281 miles.
From Frankfurt, this area here, all the way up northwest to Actually, it's Hoofddorp.
Right.
Yeah, Hoofddorp. I have a tendency of putting an extra S in there. From Frankfurt, all the way up past Dusseldorf, past Duisburg, all the way up past Amersfoort to Hoofddorp, which is south of Amsterdam. Now, here is the Amsterdam Sloterdijk. Is that how you pronounce it, Lynn?
I think so. Sloterdijk.
Train station. So the next stop, Hoofddorp.
And our hotel.
So, where are we? Can you tell?
We're in Amsterdam, Nederland.
Mainland. I see.
On the way to Hoofddorp, which is by the airport. And that's where our hotel is for the next 3 days.
For the next 3 days?
3 nights.
3 nights.
Almost 4 days, actually.
August 19th. Today's Saturday, August 19th. That's Lynn.
Den Haag Centraal.
In case you don't know, I'm Q, or Otis Pate.
Our train journey has started in Amsterdam Sloterdijk. We have passed Amsterdam City, and we are now passing Schiphol Airport to our final destination, which is Hoofddorp.
Yeah, that's our hotel right there.
Okay.
Yeah, the Hampton. That's where we'll be staying. The Hampton is a 3-star hotel in Europe, and that's a 4-star hotel in the United States.
It looks like it's on an island or something. Like we'll be secluded.
Okay, so let's go inside and get checked in. So, now we're all checked into the Hampton, and they put us up on the 2nd floor. I must say it's quite a lovely little place.
Yeah, it is. I like it.
Zandvoort aan Zee. So here's Lynn. I was just telling everyone that we are in Zandvoort and we're going on the North Sea.
Exactly.
Yeah. So ready?
Yes.
This is the train station here at Zandvoort, right on the sea. So we're as far west as we can go here in Holland. And this area is about 30 minutes from Amsterdam, Central Amsterdam. Yeah, that's the old time train station. There's a very nice little town up here. When was the last time we were here?
Oh my gosh. 2008 was it?
2008?
I think so. Or 2009
Yeah.
for New Year's Eve.
Yeah, so 2008, 2009. So I'm trying to multitask out here and not get ran over. Not be a mantelpiece. This right here is a grocery store. Dirk van den Broek. Dirk van den Broek. So, what you're staring at? What'd you say?
The casino ad.
Oh, so Lynn wants to go to the casino and let them take our money. So is this where you want to go?
But I love a good slot machine.
Yeah. You love a good slot machine?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. I do too when it's kicking out money. When it's being, you know,
Money and
giving, when it's yielding, you know. So, we're at the North Sea, and this is what's going on out here. What a beautiful day. Zandvoort is definitely delivering, except for...
Unbeknownst to me, while I was out on the beach with Q having a great time, somebody was stealing my piece of pie.
This guy right here is from Zandvoort.
All the best from Zandvoort, Holland.
Yeah, all right. Now you're talking. Be sure to join us for the next episode, episode 3, because we're finally making it into the central city of Amsterdam, huh, Lynn?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. And it is going to be fully packed of sights and sounds that will probably have you wanting to go to Amsterdam real soon. Well, at least I hope so.
Take care.
That one's called the Floating Amsterdam right here. Costs about 15 euro, about $18. Amsterdam City. And this goes on all day, from the morning, 7 days a week, until about 7 o'clock at night, 8 o'clock at night. Yep. Wish you were here.